Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Flora from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for July 20th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We saw, of course, more gains across the board, but the important thing today is the fact that those inside bar formations that we have been watching here, we did see some breakouts. So on the Dow was up 36 points, but as you can see, it did close above the high of that July 15th bar. So any trade one tick or 1 penny above today's high of 18,548 here would confirm a breakout to the upside. Now the real question is, how much further can this go? Well, there's a couple of tools that you can use. One is symmetry. You can look at previous moves. They typically range around the same amount, and here we're getting close to that right now. But the other tool that you can use is the Fibonacci retracement tool, or excuse me, the Fibonacci extension tool. And if you go to the previous high and low and plot these levels, you'll see here, and let me zoom in for a second for you so you can all see this clearly. Let's try this again. There we go. So you can see that these are the upside targets, the 127.2% level, the 1618, and then eventually that 2618. Now we've already hit the first two targets. So if we clear this zone, the next logical target would be up here, which would be 19,438. Now, a couple things here. Number one, you can see that we've had a number of very small range bars. So it really looks like it's running out of steam. We are certainly at all-time high, so there is no resistance here. So should we clear today's high here and with authority and start moving higher, we certainly could expect it to hit this level. So number one, this is a real test right here. We are either going to see this be the beginnings of that retracement, or we're going to move on to that level. So the Fibonacci extension tool is a very, very useful tool that you can use when a stock or a forex pair or a futures contract, whatever you're charting, is at an all-time high and you do not have any previous highs to use as targets. That tool is very useful. The S&P 500 today was up 9 points, also broke out of that inside bar formation. The Nasdaq was up 53. And the Russell was the only one that actually did not break out of that inside bar formation, is still there. And we still have a multi-day inside bar formation. TLT here today, very, very quiet, didn't do a whole lot, while gold was down about 16 points or so and actually broke out of that inside bar formation to the downside. We'll give my chart a second to load. Here it is. So it was this inside bar formation here that we were watching, that high, and of course this low here. And it did break out to the downside here. Again, we need to wait for confirmation, which would be a trade one tick or 1 penny below today's low. Okay, crude up slightly here, up 21 cents, which was lower in the session, and then pulled higher. The only other news you may be interested in today is that Elon Musk from Tesla is supposed to be releasing his master plan for Tesla at 8 p.m. Eastern tonight. So that should be interesting. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.